Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I like to share with you some altered paper bags that I made, and this is a really quick project that anyone can make, and I used a lot of my scraps. So I wanted to share with you this collection really quickly. I'm not going to go into detail, but this is called the Winnie sugar sprinkles, and it is super cute. And here are just some of the papers that you can get. It comes with a lot of paper, and as you can see, I did save my scraps, and all I did was use a lot of my leftover scraps, and I used it to add it onto my paper bags. So let me share that with you, what they look like, and hope you like this project. And I thought that these would be perfect for spring and for Easter. I know Easter is this Sunday, so if you're looking for a quick and easy project to make, this would be perfect for you. So really quickly, the paper bags I used were these, but you can certainly use any brown lunch bag that you have. They are these ones are from Michaels, and I just like the fact that they come in different colors. I used the white one, and then what I did was I cut a little bit off the top. I cut about that much, so I did make it shorter because I didn't want them to be that long. But you can use any brown paper bags you guys have. So here is my first altered bag, and I think this is just so cute. So I dressed up all of the tops using a Martha Stewart border punch, and they are all different. And then I added some trim from my stash. Here is the gorgeous Winnie, and I think she is just adorable. This is also a punch from Martha Stewart, and this cluster of eggs. And all of the background paper is from that same collection, including all of the sentiments. And then I think almost all of them except for one have these cute little additional images, and these are ones I got last year from Vivian. She gifted me these, and I think they're just so cute, so I am finally using them. So some of them have dimension, some don't have as much. I mean, I think this one has probably the least dimension, because I only added dimension to this cutout right here. But you can see all my scraps that I used, all different sizes. So I didn't want to use a brand new sheet of paper. I used all of my scraps for this project. Here is another one, and I think it is just adorable. She is so cute. Now, I didn't know, but Chocolate Day, I believe it's the 7th of July or something like that. If I'm wrong, I'll put it up in the screen. But I thought this was cute. So this can be like for Chocolate Day if you like, or it can be for any occasion really, to be honest with you. And again, you can see the dimension that I added throughout the layers. Some of them even have like pieces of lace. Also, the laces that you will see and some of the bags are also scraps, because I do save my scraps. And then I just added, like, tucked in some pieces of die cuts that I've had in my stash. You know, instead of throwing them away, I figure I might as well use it. And this time the border punch I used was this flower one, and again from Martha Stewart. And then more laces, trims and laces from my stash. And that is what this one looks like. And it says diets are so overrated. And then it did come with this die cut piece, which is a chocolate bar, and I thought that was so cute. This was gifted to me by Paula in an embellishment box, and these are just flowers from my stash. So that's what that one looks like. Here is another one, and I just love these colors, you guys, because they are soft and they are just perfect for spring. So this one says springtime. And you can see the layers, the dimension, not much dimension, because I mean, you know, I figured, I don't know if the person, whoever gets it, if they're not a crafter, they're not going to save it. But so I didn't want to add too much to something like this. Plus I wanted this project to be quick and easy. And this layer right here, this border is the butterflies, because the background piece has butterflies, and this is one of my favorite sheets. And just to show you what the bag would look like, you know, opened up. So that's what that one looks like. Again, this bunny is gifted to me by Vivian. And here is the last one, and this one says sharing is caring. And here is, this is one of my favorite border punches from Martha Stewart, and I just added this. This is a sticker piece right here, and then this turquoise trim. And I just love that this image had the 3 girls, and it's so cute. Again, I added another piece of chocolate, just a cluster, just a little cluster here of die cuts and stickers and flowers. And here's more trim. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It's a really quick and easy project. I hope you give this a try. Use your scraps, don't throw them away. You know, us crafters, we like to save everything, and I'm learning not to save everything, but at the same time, I knew I was going to make this project and I wanted to use my scraps. I think it was last year I altered these boxes, and the same thing, I used my scraps, but this project I distressed the edges, whereas this one, what I did was I just tore the paper. And I do like the fact, because this is printed paper, it's printed on white paper, so you can see the white core from each one. You can see it very well on this turquoise piece, so I like that you know that it shows the white. So yeah, so let me know what you think. I will have all of the information in the description box, a coupon code and a direct link to this collection, which is Winnie Sugar Sprinkles. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you all have an amazing Easter. Bye everyone.